Launching. Ooh. So many people are just launching.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, he's on top of it. He's on top of it.
That's great, dude.
No.
Oh my god! Dude! You just gotta watch what happens. No, don't shoot! Oh, thrusters broke. They're going to anarchy.
Look at the thrusters. Josh. Crap.
Main thrusters broke off. Yo! Wait, what? Wait, no, is that that's coming back down. That's coming back down. Is that coming back down? That's coming back down.
No, it's not.
It looked like it was coming back down for a second. Oh my god.
It's not coming down.
Whoa, what?
What?
What? Oh, what? Tilted! Oh my god! Dude! Whoa! Oh my god!
Bro, I'm running to tilted right now.
Whoa! Dude! That went right by me!
It disappeared.
Oh no, it's coming back. It's warping all over the place. Yo! Whoa! Oh my god, that ripped.
I hope that stays in the game.
Dude, that ripped the air. It created a wormhole.
Time and space.
What happened to Tilted?
Nothing happened.
Okay.
Hey, don't kill it.
Yeah, I know.
Dude.
Oh no, there's C4.
Dude, stop running.
Shoot him! Yes! Good, Josh. Dude.
That's amazing.
You guys really gonna shoot?
No, they started shooting first.
Bro, I had an amazing view of the rocket from starting.
Got one. Yo.
That was amazing.
Dude!
I want to watch that in replay mode.
Same.
I'm gonna go and watch that in replay mode.
Hey, what happened to that person there?
Look into the sky one more. Look into the sky at the rip. Parking.
Whoa, dude. As I casually just bludgeon someone.
Hey, what happened to that girl?
Yo, do you hear that?
Okay, I'm gonna go and what?
There's a warbling noise that's coming from the rift.
Yeah.
You're right. Time travel.
Yeah.
Yo!
That's right. Time travel. And that's why they're gonna bring back Red Man, because it's like time traveling back in time.
Yo, dude!
An exclusive.
Okay, Cody. Confirm. What's you looking at video?